How to add a dot chime? The dot chime set the source different area. The main panel. Press study.
Studying remote controller. Studying away zone. Studying stay zone. Studying 24-hour zone. Studying delay zone. Studying doorbell zone.
Systems dot chime. CD. Delete.
Exit study mode.
Delete the dot chime. Systems.
Press setting key to delete remote controller. Press setting key to delete away zone. Press setting key to delete stay zone. Press setting key to delete 24-hour zone. Press setting key to delete delay zone. Press setting key to delete doorbell zone.
Systems. Study. Button.
Completion doorbell zone. Deleting and exiting delete mode.
The dot chime set the source different area. Press study.
Studying remote controller. Studying away zone. Studying stay zone. Studying 24-hour zone.
4 times. 3B. Delete the
Exit study mode.
the remote control. Arming.
Away arming.